Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to the historic Main Street Cruise in the Springfield neighborhood of Jacksonville. This is going to be our car show cam. Not sure how much we have on this camera because we just kind of drove in, parked, and was there for a little while, and then we left off to the next adventure. I know we have some good footage on here, but I just don't know how much. So if you want to just skip on to Scooter Vision or Lid Cam or the Walkabout Cam or something, go ahead. I won't feel bad. Anyway, we went out and checked it out. There were a lot of cars out there. They're trying to revive the Cruise In culture there because it had been pretty much dead, really. Sorry, I probably shouldn't say that on YouTube. I'll edit that out. Anyway. But anyway, I think they've decided to make it the car clubs have decided to come together and make a concerted effort to revive the Springfield Cruise In, and it really looks like that's what they're managing to do. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up now. We're going to take you out to the cars. So let's rev it up for those hot rods. Looks like there's some old cars here.
Yeah. It's definitely closed.
Shit, they got them stacked up on the other side.
Yeah, I see that.
You might have to run over and take pictures of them.
Hey, there's a KFC right
Shit,
down.
those cars are over there.
Yeah. I don't know where you're planning on parking.
Other side.
Okay. All right. Where you want to park?
I was thinking I'd just pull right up over here.
All right, but you can't pull up in that tree.
No. I was swinging it out to go that way.
Oh.
To back in.
Okay. Hope you don't get stuck in here. I mean to unload and load. Okay, go ahead.
Well, I'm not sure how far back to go.
Yeah.
I think I'll stop right there.
Alright. Okay.
And I'm going to go out over here at the light, so I got to go backwards.
Oh. Okay. Everybody's gonna see us leaving.
Mm-hmm. And I think I know why this place got temporarily closed.
Why?
This front window up here,
Yeah.
there's a bullet hole.
Oh.
Or a crack in the glass that's roughly the size of a bullet.
Yeah.
Where a bullet impacted.
Yeah.
Possibly a ricochet.
Mm-hmm. A lot of people aren't staying very long.
Would you?
No, it's cold.
We also ain't got antifreeze in us either.
Yeah. True.
I ain't added another Lolo. No clue.
Yeah.
Yeah, this KFC looks abandoned.
Maybe. Alright.
No, it was open. There was somebody in line. Alright, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Historic Springfield Classic Cruise In, Main Street Cruise In. There's so many names for it. Pick and choose. Anyway, we really enjoyed it. Had a great time. A little on the cold side. The weather kind of flip-flopped on us from the morning. And it went cold and windy and started to rain, so everybody just took off. It was a good cruise in. Had quite a few cars show up. Unlike the previous time I went out, when I said I probably wouldn't be back because there's only 3 cars that showed up, myself included. So we're gonna try to make more of these events. Don't know that we're gonna be successful, because it's just there's so much car stuff going on that it's hard to make it out to every event you want to make it out to. Anyway, we're going to do our best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you if you enjoyed it. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. We're going to keep taking video. We're going to keep doing our best. So, make sure you're subscribed because YouTube likes to unsubscribe people without their knowledge. Just double check that. And if you're already a subscriber, make sure to share it around. Like the video. That's important. That tells YouTube that people are enjoying what I'm putting out. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be.